Everyone, I am Dr. Ridu Kumar Sharma. September is Prostate Cancer Awareness Month, and today I will talk about prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is the second most common cancer among men all over world, and every year more than 1.2 million new cases of prostate is being diagnosed, and more than 3.5 lakh cases cancer related deaths are due to prostate cancer. So prostate cancer is one of the major cancer related problem in men, particularly the elderly male. So what are the risk factors and what are the early symptoms of prostate cancer? So most important risk factor for prostate cancer is obviously the age. Prostate cancer is very rare below the age of 40 years, and incidence of prostate cancer increases above the age of 40, and peak of prostate cancer incidence is between 65 to 74 years of age group. Another important risk factor is family history, seen in around 1 to 5% of patients, and some genes like BRCA2, ATM mutation, single nucleotide polymorphism may be associated with prostate cancer. So every prostate cancer we are asking about the family history in details, like history of any similar illness in the family, or history of breast cancer or other associated cancers in the family. Another important risk factor is obesity. Obese patients are at high risk for developing prostate cancer. Diet high in animal fat may be associated with high risk of prostate cancer. Another important risk factors are like physical activity. Those who are physically inactive have a higher chance of getting obesity and overweight and risk of prostate cancer. So we should avoid avoid physical inactivity, and we should do regular exercise, that is 30 minutes per day, and 5 days per week regular exercise is recommended as per the international body. So what are the other risk factors for prostate cancer? So some ethnicity is one of the important. Prostate cancer is more common in black as compared to the white population. Diet rich in vegetables, green vegetables, lycopenes, tomatoes reduces the risk of prostate cancer. So diet should be rich in vegetables and lycopenes. Soybean and other legumes have high content of phytoestrogens, and they prevent prostate cancers, and this has been shown in some of the study. Omega-3 fatty acids rich food and fish oil is also a risk reducing agent for prostate cancer. One important study has shown that risk of prostate cancer decreases with the coffee use. Men who use more coffee have reduced risk of prostate cancer. Cigarette smoking has definitely result in the increase in the risk of prostate cancer and other cancers. So definitely a risk factor. So what are the early symptoms of prostate cancer? Most of the patients with prostate cancer presenting with lower urinary tract symptoms. So what are the lower urinary tract symptoms? Like urgency, increase in daytime frequency of micturition, nocturia, that is increased urinary frequency or urination at night, abnormal bladder sensation, slow urinary stream, and dribbling during micturition or after voiding. In cases of advanced stage disease, that is metastatic disease, patient may present with bony pain. That is the most common site of metastasis in prostate is bone. So patient may present with bony metastasis, and depending upon the other site of metastasis, patient may present with other symptoms also. So these are the symptoms. Patient may present with hematuria, inability to void, erectile dysfunction, weight loss, and sometimes patient may present with pathological fracture of bone due to bony metastasis. In advanced disease, patient may present with fatigue. It may be due to anemia, or maybe because of systemic chronic renal disease due to advanced prostate cancer, or anemia may be due to bone marrow infiltration also. So what are the signs seen in prostate cancer? Patient may present with increased serum PSA level, and usually we are doing serum PSA in those patients who are suspected case of CA prostate, and on examinations patient may present with hard nodular prostate with irregularity and indurations. So take home message is that most of the patients with prostate cancer who presented in the early disease have excellent outcome, and patient can be cured. Even in advanced stage of disease, we have multiple treatment options, and patient survival can be prolonged, and outcome will be better. So thank you.